I'm about to check in. The first flight is from Amsterdam to Paris, and then from Paris to Luanda. Most of you know, of course, that we have an organization called Angola Investment. Our organization is dedicated in assisting the diaspora in getting land. So we assist you in land acquisition, in business establishment, and of course we help you in all the administrative process of getting things done. We have also launched our project where we are building a diaspora community. So for those who are interested in joining us in this huge project, you want to have land in Angola, don't forget to visit our website www.angolainvestmentgroup.com for more information. Yeah, so we are here in Angola. Today it's not very sunny, but very nice temperature. I like this temperature more. When the sun shines as here in Angola, it's bad. It's a heat. Like that. Oh, hello. Inktvis. Yeah, people. So stay tuned as we will reveal more of our plots and projects and what we are doing here in Angola. Angola is very beautiful, by the way. It's a lot of opportunity here, especially if you are there in the diaspora. You want to have something going on in Africa. Angola is a land, country that you have to consider. Definitely. So our plots within our community is very affordable. We have 3 types, or 3 sizes, must I say, 3 dimensions, right? The first plot has a dimension of 400 square meters. Don't know the exact in square foot. I think like, no, I'm not gonna guess, but it's 400 square meters. So if you want to know the square foot, just type it in Google. Yes, the second plot has a dimension of 800 square foot, square meters. Okay, 800 square meters. And the third, that's the largest in our community, has a dimension of 1600 square meters. So huge. It's a huge plot. If you want to know more about the pricings, you can schedule a consultation with us. Really serious in investing with us in Angola and getting your own plot in our gated community. And for the diaspora and others who love Angola, who love Africa, and want to build with us the Angola of the future. So let us know. Go to our website, schedule a consultation, or download our brochures. It also contains a lot of information about the community project that we initiated and what we are building. Yes? So we still have some plots available. Yeah, so make haste, make haste, make haste. We still have some plots available. So if you're interested, don't hesitate. Just contact us. Let's have the conversation. Let's build Angola of the future. The world is changing. Angola, Africa in general, will become the new economic power as Angola. The World Bank knows it. The World Economics knows it. People are talking about it. Things are shifting. Things are shifting, and we know, based on the prophecies, things are changing already. Africa is the motherland, and if you're out there in the diaspora, we are here to be your partner, to assist you, to help you, to build together. There's a lot of work to be done here. And we are working on this community project, but there is also business establishment. Okay, there's a lot of big opportunity for any business that you can start here in Angola. There's no such thing as a saturated market. Angola has space and room.
5, 6, 10 da estrada, porque essa estrada nacional não pode a estrutura ficar muito próximo da estrada. Pode-se tirar 20, pode-se tirar daqui até no Imbondeiro. O governo é lei,
We have negotiated for the purchase of a piece of property. And so we're just sitting here now, just looking at the possibilities of this area and what we can bring to the table to help to develop this area. And there's so much things that I'm just imagining that we can do. So this is where we're at right now. We're just waiting to finalize everything and become owners of property within this district. And by the way, this district, we were told, is going to become a province or its own little municipality with its mayor. And where we are right now, it may seem underdeveloped, but you know, who's to say in the next 5 years, the next 10 years, this won't be a bustling section with stores and different, even a mall, a shopping mall, 30 minutes away from the airport,
from the new international
airport. Yes. Yeah. So this is where we're at, and it's just a pleasant weather, beautiful country, fertile land, Angola. You all need to be here. Come and see for yourself. That's all I can say. Come and see for yourself.
Ingeta.
Prices have gotten so high that the people are struggling. And so they decided, no, things are going to have to change. And instead of France coming and saying, you know what, yeah, let's sit down at the table, and they send in military, you know, to use strong arm tactics to try to quell the uprising of the people. And the people are saying, we've had enough. We've had enough.
Isn't Martinique the only remaining colony of France?
Yeah, I believe so.
Yeah, it's an island.
Yes.
Yeah, it's the only remaining colony of France. And they don't want to give it up.
No, they don't.
It's crazy.
The people are rising up, and that's what I've said over and over, that nothing can stop the will of the people when they unite to rise up against what they perceive as injustices, by whether their leadership or whether by other countries who are exploiting them. When the people rise up.
Eu sou o Delcio aqui. Estou aqui, venho trabalhar aqui nesta área de Teleton. Junto estamos aqui o Lando e o Nicolau, em companhia com eles a fazer os nossos trabalhos. Gostaria que lá, conforme que eu estou a presenciar aqui, eles aqui, venham trabalhar aqui também, fazer a mesma coisa, investirem aqui em Angola. Estamos carenciadamente do emprego, né? Ajudar outros irmãos aí que não têm emprego. É tudo.